Web3 is the next evolution of the internet, focusing on decentralization and blockchain technology. When it comes to cryptocurrency, Web3 plays a crucial role in creating a trustless and permissionless financial ecosystem. Here's a beginner-friendly breakdown. 1. What is Web3? Web3 is an internet built on blockchain technology, where users have more control over their data, identities, and financial transactions without relying on central authorities like banks or big tech companies. 2. How is Web3 different from Web2? Web2, centralized platforms like Facebook, Google, control data and transactions. Web3, decentralized apps. dApps run on blockchain, allowing peer-to-peer transactions without middlemen. 3. Role of cryptocurrency in Web3. Cryptocurrencies enable financial transactions in Web3 without banks or payment processors. Key components include smart contracts, self-executing contracts on blockchains like Ethereum, decentralized finance defined, banking services, loans, savings, trading without intermediaries, non-fungible tokens and NFTs, digital ownership of assets like art, music, and in-game items. 4. Key Web3 crypto terms to know. Blockchain, a decentralized, digital ledger for recording transactions. Wallets, for example MetaMask, Trust Wallet, store and manage cryptocurrencies securely. Decentralized applications, dApps, apps running on blockchain instead of centralized servers. Tokens, Sol, BNB, etc., cryptocurrencies used in Web3 networks. DAO, decentralized autonomous organization, a community-governed organization using smart contracts. 5. How to get started. 1. Set up a crypto wallet. Download a Web3 wallet, MetaMask, Trust Wallet. 2. Get some crypto. Buy Ethereum or another Web3 token from an exchange. 3. Explore dApps. Try DeFi platforms, OV, Uniswap, and NFT marketplaces, OpenSea, or gaming projects. 4. Stay safe. Learn about scams, security best practices, and avoid sharing private keys. Thanks for watching my video. Appreciate my work by liking and sharing the video. Hit the subscribe button for further relevant videos. Also press the bell icon for notifications about new videos.